Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's going to be a little update on the state of my daily runners. This kind of goes back to days of my Peugeot, which, believe it or not, was only about a year ago. Before I do that, if you are a long-term follower of the channel, you'll remember that it started with camper vans. I have a new channel dedicated to my camper vans. You'll see I've got one here I'm building, and then my own current one. This one's to sell. So yeah, I'll put a link, you can follow that in the description or up here somewhere. So yeah, going back to my daily runners. So Peugeot died. It didn't die, I needed some money. It had a starting issue, as in it didn't want to. I needed a stiff of easy start. So sold that, made some money, bought a Mark IV Golf that I think I mentioned I was going to do a video on the channel. Never got around to it. That had a dying injector. I had to do a long journey in it, and to be honest, I wasn't sure it was going to make it back. It was making all sorts of funny noises and ran funny, so chopped that in, and I bought myself a nice Mercedes. I've had one of these before, never had it on the channel, and I absolutely love these cars. 80s-ish look, very square, very boxy. If you couldn't tell from the Pontiac, then yeah, that's the sort of thing I like. Yeah, apart from the colour, I love everything about it. Paintwork has seen better days, but again, most of the cars, there's a bit around the back there as well, most of my cars, again, as you'll probably know from the channel, have lack appeal, so it was meant to be. Inside, very clean. Very clean. It is poverty spec. You'll notice no air conditioning. It is automatic. It is only a 4-speed automatic, no overdrive. Diesel. Was going to run it on cooking oil. So I've done about 1,100 miles since buying this, and one of the common problems with these cars is the Lucas fuel pump. I'm used to British cars and Lucas parts. Apparently Lucas on German cars is no different. Basically the fuel pump's packed up. So this £500 gem is going to have to be sold, because a replacement fuel pump is about £600. The job doesn't look too bad to do, but I can't put 600. I haven't got £600. I can't afford to put £600 into a £500 car. If the bodywork was better, I think I might be tempted to sort of sell what I can and put some money into this whole thing. But I can't. So the idea for commuting, I'm going to get myself an electric bike. If you want me to do a video on that, it's a bit different. It's still got wheels, I suppose. Let me know, put a comment below. If not, the money from this is going to be put into my other Golf, the Mark III Golf. It needs new suspension because it is knackered. It needs a new gearbox because it's the wrong gearbox, and at 60-70 miles an hour it's doing about 3,500 RPM, and it's just not comfortable. So it needs the proper gearbox. Yeah, so between the Golf, my electric push bike, and probably the Morris, so I need to I'll have to spend some of the money from this on the Morris, get some sound deadening in there, maybe look at a different diff ratio, maybe a different gearbox. 5-speed gearbox I think was commented on one of my videos before, so that's a possibility. So all of that's going to be coming up in the next few months. I know this channel has been a bit thin on the ground in terms of videos. I've really been struggling with mental health and stuff, so that's kind of held me back a bit. But I am getting in a better place, so I do think I'm going to be able to do a lot more videos for you guys. That's kind of it for this video. Yeah, like, subscribe if you haven't done. There's a lot of stuff coming up, so hopefully that'll be of interest to any of you new guys who haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you very soon.